Yeah, talk about a stinking weather change. It was snowing just a little bit ago. Pennsylvania's losing its mind anymore. Just walked up on an old one here. Looks like a pretty decent one too. It was. Oh yeah, that's a good antler. Wish I'd have found him brown. One of my big 6 points that I like. Wasn't really ready for that. Little sticker on the base. Sweet. Got a lot of looking left to do. Try and find some better condition ones. Working this thick hillside with all these pines. Usually kick up 1 or 2 in here, but there's just sign everywhere right in here. Bed, sign, everywhere. Down there, other side of the tree, boom. Had me kind of excited at first. It looked a little wild, but it's just a side-by-side set laying pretty much right on top of each other, it looks like. That's sweet. Fine. Neat looking bases on him. He's all white. Hard to miss him in here. That's for sure. And more pretty nasty stuff. Kind of opens up a little bit, getting over into this way, but walking along and I almost stepped on that guy. Awesome conditions today. It was snowing yesterday. Temperature's back up in the 50s today, and it rained through the night. Cloudy right now, and we are supposed to get, oh, come on, Finn. Supposed to get more rain coming in here soon. So I'm gonna boogie, try to pick some up before it hits.